Hello, it's Christine Stonehouse from Kinglake Scrapbooking, or the card lady from the markets when we're allowed to do the markets again. And I'm going to show you a easy to put together card, general purpose card, like this one says thinking of you with a little bluebird. Okay, so all you need is a bit of cardboard or a proper card. If you're making your own card from a folded piece of cardboard, measure your envelope first so that they fit together. Leave yourself about 1/2 centimetre all the way around your card. Okay, so this card needs 2 chevrons, one a plain piece and one a pattern piece, and I'll show you how to cut them. You look at your shape, your rectangle, and cut it in the middle. That's a short way, and then go from the corner to the point and the corner to the point, and you have a good chevron. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always trim it a little bit more. Then I'm using double-sided tape to glue down the pattern pieces. So there's one on the card. There's 2. So then you've got the 2. And I've made up some kits for people. There's some kits that are more bluish colours. Some have got pink. And they've all got a piece of glitter in the kit, which already has some tape on the back, ready for you to stick on. And you can stick it down the middle, put it crossways. You choose which way you put it. Now, Close to My Heart have brought out a stamp set. Well, you can see that. It's called Operation Smile, and there's these cute little animals. The cat, the dog, moose, owl, fox, and a little bird. And there's lots of messages that say sending hugs and thinking of you in tiny writing. So in the kits, I've stamped the little pictures already on a piece of cardboard. These ones I've coloured in myself, but you can colour in yours from the kit. And there's 2 little cards in your kit, but they've got 4 pictures on them, so you can choose which one you want. So to put your picture on, I like to use a bit of foam tape. You can see it stands up a bit, and you can stick your little picture on the front. In your kit, you've got 2 sets of words: birthday wishes, thank you, thinking of you, and the other side is blank, so you could write your own message. And so you just need to put some glue behind the message, and you can stick it on, and it's ready to go. The card is complete. And another way of, when you've got scraps, you've got little scraps left over, is you can chop them up into the little chevrons again, overlap them in a mixture of colours, and then just add a word or do some writing, say happy birthday or thinking of you or whatever sentiment you want, and there's another easy card made. I'm selling these card kits in aid of Operation Smile as $3 a kit, and $2 will go to the Operation Smile to help the kids in poorer countries where they have cleft palate and they can't eat and that properly because their mouth is not formed properly. And Close to My Heart likes to support this charity. I hope you enjoy your card making, and I'll see you soon sometime when markets are on again. Bye.